Hello everyone, so I'm going to be prepping some meat to cook later for an order that is going to be going out. I have to make some soup and stew. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So I'm going to be adding mine. This is cow trip, and over here I also have some, cow skin, which is popularly known as momo. Then I'm going to be adding my meat to it. This is cow tongue. This is tongue. And I'm going to prep it down before going to work. Then when I come back from work, then I'm going to, start cooking. So I'm going to be adding my all-purpose seasoning to it. I use this all-purpose seasoning a lot in my kitchen. If you are, be following my kitchen. And I'm going to be adding some nutmeg over them. Some garlic and ginger powder. I'm also going to be adding some dried onions. Going to be adding some salt, even though it's not that much because of the seasoning. All-purpose seasoning I added contains salt. I'm going to combine everything together. So guys, I'm going to be adding my onions and my fresh pepper. So the last thing I'm going to be adding is a little bit of my curry powder. I'm just going to be adding it, then add some water. Not that much. Then I'm going to allow it to simmer. Before then, I'm just going to give it a little bit of so I'm going to allow it to simmer. Guys, it's ready. So this is it. The beef is ready, the shaki and the momo, everything is ready, guys. So I'm going to bring it out, then put into my deep fryer, allow it to fry for just few minutes, and it's ready to go. Yeah, everything looks tasty.